Hey guys, it's Maher. In this video, we're going to be going over on how we locked up a flip and made a $78,000 profit with one simple system, why I'm showing you this, and how you guys can do this too. So what kind of deal was this? It was a very, very simple deal, regular fix and flip. We bought a house, we fixed it up, and we sold it. We made a $78,000 process. We're going to break down the steps in the next slides, how we got the deal. Before we get there, this is just some slides on proof that we actually did purchase the property, how much we purchased it for, and how much we sold it for. So as you guys can see, this is the property address, 4010 Herblinda. This is the borrower. This is my LLC. It's kind of obvious it's my LLC. It's Maher Capital LLC. This is the seller's name, and then this is the sales price. So it's $261,000 is what we purchased the property for. And the buyer's credit from Maher Capital LLC, this is basically the down payment that we put to get this deal. So we had to put a down payment of $64,000. We bought it for $261,000. So this is the closing statement when we sold the property. As you guys can see here, seller Maher Capital LLC. We sold the property for $442,000. After the rehab and holding costs, we ended up netting around $78,000. So how did this deal start? The seller found us on Facebook. They clicked an ad and they filled out our form. All the questions asked on the form is, when do you want to sell? How much are you looking to sell for? And why are you looking to sell? This is an inbound Facebook lead. So that basically just means we didn't chase the lead down. We didn't call them. We didn't text them first. They already wanted to sell and they filled out the form and reached out to us. This is an inbound lead. The best part about this deal is that AI handled most of the transaction for us. So the lead actually came in around 11:30 to 12 o'clock at night, and I wasn't even checking my laptop, so I had no idea the lead even came in. Right when the lead came in, our AI chatbot actually reached out to the seller and set the appointment for me for the next day. The AI agent asked super basic questions. They set the appointment, when they're free, when they can meet and talk about the property. So the next day, right when I woke up, I already had the appointment made for me. All I had to do was call the seller up, confirm the appointment, go to the property, and get the contract right away. It's super important for you guys to have an AI chatbot in your CRM so you guys can respond to leads right away within 5 minutes of them coming, especially if they're inbound leads. If you guys aren't responding to inbound leads within the first 5 minutes, the amount that you guys get that contract or get that deal drops significantly. The result of doing this process profited us $78,000. The big lessons here is that Facebook brings motivated sellers, AI saves time and never forgets about the leads. It only takes one deal to change your business. Imagine what you guys could do with $78,000. You don't need to do 50 deals. You only need one good deal with one system that's repeatable. If you guys want to learn how to flip houses, get sellers from Facebook, and use AI to book appointments, and learn how to do real estate deals, click the link down below to book a call directly with me, and we'll see if we can help you with your real estate business.